In this video, I'll show you how you can change your install path in League of Legends. Now first what you want to do is, there's two different ways. The first is you can open up your driver where you have Riot Games installed. Simply copy this folder anywhere. You can change it to your C drive or anything, and then delete it from your other drive. Now when you open up the game, it should be in there. Now another thing you can do is you can head over to League of Legends download right here. When you download it, when you come to the install here, you're gonna press advanced options, and from in here you can change the install path that you want the League of Legends to be on. So basically those are the two ways. If you already have it installed, you can just change the folder where everything is installed onto another driver. But if you haven't installed it yet, you can simply do it from in here. If you wanna, you can also just uninstall League of Legends and reinstall it as a new and install it on the correct path. So those are basically the two ways that you can do it. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.